Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit the red subscribe button now and to make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So real quick guys, I want to make a quick cash out on this app, TikTok. I want to show you how you could cash out your funds on TikTok. So if you are a new user, and you're up to 1k followers on this app, you'll be able to go live and receive gifts. So when you receive that gift, come over to your balance over here. So the gift is basically a live gift. It's a live gift. So when you come live, some people can recharge and send you gifts. They can send you gifts. So my total balance right here right now is 1.95 nested glass because I went live and I was gifted this stuff. So guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw it, and if I get a lot of engagement on this video, I'll be showing you how to add the payment method like this, how to bind your PayPal to TikTok as a Nigerian, how to bind your PayPal to TikTok as a Nigerian. So guys, I'll be clicking on this stuff and imputing the amount. The minimum cash out here is $1, so I'll be confirming it right now. Confirm to withdraw. So it says the withdrawal in progress. Funds should arrive in 1 business day. Withdrawal amount is $1. PayPal desktop. So guys, I'll quickly reload this stuff. So I've been debited the sum of $1 United States. I withdrew the first time and I'm withdrawing again. So I'll go check PayPal right now. I'll go check PayPal. Well, it's said to arrive within 1 business day, so we'll be waiting for 24 hours to receive the funds. I think it's in already. It did not take 24 hours. So take a look at the date over here. Let's take a look at the date over here. May 25th. And also this is it over here. The notification. My email, the email I received just now, PIPO. I sent you money. That's my name. Then that stuff. Note from PIPO TikTok transaction ID. So guys, this is the first payment I made, and this is the second one I made also again. This second payment I made. As you could see, it came in an instant. Immediately I withdrew the stuff. I got it straight to my TikTok, into my PayPal account. It came into my PayPal account like immediately. So guys, that's how to cash out your funds on TikTok. So if you want to know how to create a PayPal account, a legit one that is gonna be like this in Nigeria, and to bind it to TikTok, kindly hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching.